diamonds on your cheeks.
10 ang lunch na din. Ganitong fried tilapia and rice.
So I'll never leave.
Only story. Good morning! Today is Monday. Back to work na ulit after ng 2 days off. Tara, pasok tayo. Come spend a work day with me as we go through our Monday hybrid edition. Kung sa iba nakakatamad ang Monday, well, sa amin, sa pamilya namin, oo, nakakatamad din ang Monday. Pero hindi, papasok tayo. Wala nga absent sa pamilyang to. Nag-order ako ng suction type na soap dispenser online sa Orange app. Spoiler alert, nalaglag siya after 2 days. So, sayang. Ang ganda sana niya eh. Very functional. Pero dahil nga nalaglag siya agad after 2 days, hindi ko siya marirecommend. So, don't bother asking me for the link. Okay? So, yan. Ganyan ang mga laman sa loob ng box when we receive it. Good thing lang, walang dents, walang damage, ganyan. And then, ganyan ang itsura niya nung na-assemble na. So, dahil hindi na nga, dahil nalaglag na nga siya, no, hindi makapit yung pagkakasaction niya, ginamit ko pa rin. Yan, yung mismong tray na lang yung ginamit ko, tapos nakapatong na lang siya dun sa CR namin. At least, hindi pa rin matutunaw yung sabon. Part na ng morning routine namin, yung pag-tidy up ng bed before leaving for work. Mapa-on-site man ako niyan, or kung work from home, bago ako umupo sa laptop ko, dapat maayos ko na yan. But to be honest, merong mga days talaga na pag tinanghali ka, super nagmamadali, cramming ka na, naiiwan namin siyang hindi nakaayos. Pag uwi, saka na lang namin siya ayusin para guluhin ulit. Nag-order na nga din ako ng laptop sleeve. Yan, si ate mo order ng order, wala nang pambayad. Charot. So, nag-order ako kasi kailangan ko siya sa work para hindi na ako lagi naka-backpack. So, parang ang plano ko kasi talaga is hand carry ko na lang to. And then, magdadala ko ng smaller bag. Kasi yung backpack na ginagamit ko ngayon is ito pa yung bag na inisyon ng company kasama ng laptop. Sobrang laki niya. Ang luwag-luwag ng laptop sa loob. Tapos mas malaki pa sa akin yung bag. Well, exaggerate na masyado. Sorry. So, here, I'm just trying to log in. Inopen ko yung laptop ko. Inopen ko na yung mga tools. Making sure na makalog in ako before 6. Ideally, mga 5:30. Ganun nagla-log in na ako para hindi ako malate. Just in case lang mabagal kumonek yung VPN sa internet. And then after clocking in, there will be a pop-up window lang asking kung working remote ba kami or working in the office. And then ko-confirm lang namin yon. After that, all good na. We're already clocked in. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. So, today is August 11 while we're shooting this vlog. Time check, it's 5:32 a.m. Ang work ko will start ng 6 a.m. So, ganun yung pasok ko. 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. Saturday, Sunday, off yun. Fix yun na ganun yung schedule namin. And I'm working in an accounting firm, but I'm not somehow related sa accounting. I'm not an accountant. Hindi rin ako auditing specialist or whatnot. Pero ako ay currently an executive assistant. Medyo familiar na siguro yung karamihan. That only means na you're supporting the executives. It's not like the PA agencies out there. Ang difference ng company na pinagtatrabawan ko right now is that we will not be doing interviews, tas pipiliin ka ni client, tas match ka kay client. Hindi siya ganon. Kasi yun yung usual setup ng mga PA agency. What's good about our company is that pagpasok mo and then na-hire ka as your EA, sila na yung mag-allocate ng partners or in our term clients na isusupport mo. And that's really good kasi pagkatapos mo makapasa ng interview, ng assessment and all, ano ka na talaga, training, and then start working ka na with the partner or with the clients. Right now, I'm supporting three partners, but ang maximum talaga na pwedeng isupport ng isang EA or executive assistant sa company namin is up to 4. So, I should expect 1 more to be added on my bucket. And then that's it na, 4. Right now, it's 5:34. Nag-log in lang ako, setting up my tools. Pero I'll lock in for work ng talagang 6 a.m. Greet them good morning, happy Monday, so on, and then start the day. Just preparing for our meeting. Normally, we have weekly meeting with our partner. 2 out of 3 yung gustong kasama ko sa mga weekly meetings nila. But there is this one partner of mine na hindi naman yan nire-require. But the other 2, feeling ko kailangan just for me to understand their workflow, kung ano yung mga galawan ins and out ng team nila. Yan lang. So, the meeting will start ng 7:45. Sinan ko lang yung camera and yung headset ko. Time check. It's 7:57 and we're about to join the meeting. Normally, 5 minutes before ako mag-join. Pero may nag-message lang. So, hindi agad ako naka-join, but here. Let's join the meeting. No one's here pa, so antay pa tayo ako. Okay, we already have one. Hi, Christina. Good morning. How are you? Doing good as well. How's your weekend? Oh no. Is it the rainy season there? Eyes. And so the meeting ended ng mga 8:16, 45-ish, mga ganun. 8:16-ish. Dapat hanggang 8:15 lang. That's okay. May mga ganun talagang overrun. Like a minute or up to 5 minutes na overrun, mga ganun. Weekly siya. Weekly basis yung ganung meeting. Second time ko palang umattend. So it's more of me just observing, trying to understand ano yung workflow nila. Yan lang. And then I'll continue working with the rest of the admin tasks. So time check, it's 8:18. Pero feeling ko kailangan ko muna mag-take ng short break. Maybe coffee or kahit na anong drink. So foggy! Coco melon yung background ng video ko. So, konting hot water para mabilis lang matunaw yung powder. Ice. And then, malamig na tubig. Pag kasi yung baso lang na usual size, ang tamis sobra. So, tinalagay ko siya dito. Point? Ano ba yan? Lunch break. 10 ang lunch namin eh. 10 to 11. So, muna natin yan. And then, let's watch YouTube. Ibang okay. Fried tilapia and rice for lunch. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. Now it's time to go. Curtains from the very entertaining. When you left, I lost a part of me. We belong together. Who's am I gonna run away? Just a little private between you and I. Touch my body.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag, suburban summer 17.